Hi, welcome to our channel NK Learning. Today we are going to learn how to create video inside the text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's start. File, create a new project. Project name, video in text. This is file location. You can select the folder. Then go to capture format DV. OK. File, new, create a new sequence. HTV. Select HTV 1080p 30. This is the window. Go to project file, import. You can press Ctrl+I. Select the video. Select this video. Just drag to sequence. Keep existing setting. Use this video. Then go to text tool. Just type a text. Type NK. Can scale, align the center. Go to secure text. You can change font style. Then go to appearance, fill color, white. Then you can increase the text frame, video length. Then go to effect. You can type track matte key. This is the effect. Use this effect, track matte key. You can drag inside the video. Go, this is the effect control. Select matte alpha. Change the matte. Text video 2. Text layer in video 2. Select the video 2. Now show the video in text. See. Now show the video in text only. Now select the text layer. You can scale. See. Fine. Go to project. I need to background. New item. You can select, right click, new item. Select the color matte. OK. I need background color cream or white. Select the white. OK, this is the name, color matte. I need the background layer. Select the video 1. Drag inside the sequence. And drag the video length. Now select the video layer. Go to the effect control. Now change the matte video 3. See. Now video show in text. I need to change the background color. You can select the double click the color matte. You can change any color. I need dark color. This is fine. Okay, background is ready. Now video inside the text, background in dark color. Then I need to little effect on the text. Select the text layer, go to the effect control, go to the transform. I need to scale. I need a little effect. I need a little text effect. Select the frame range. Okay. 1 second to 5 second. I need to animate. Select the 1 second sequence. Go to enable the scale time frame. Then go to sequence 5 second. Increase the scale. Okay, see the effect. Fine, I need little increase the scale. 1100. See. The text like zoom effect, align the center. Fine. See the full screen. This is the video in text effect in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.